He's a hoss.
She goes slow.
What's up, Faith family and fishing fam? Back out here on location. We are back out here at the loaded cow pond. They look like they cut the grass a lot better now. Things are looking good. Brad's already out here. I'm gonna have him cammed up today. He's already caught a fish, just like last time before I even got out here. He's already out here catching. This guy's a monster. Go say what's up to him, get him cammed up. We're gonna get this going. Put that little I have something like that, but it's a darker color. It's just not, I just didn't bring it on me. Reminds me of a tube. I'm gonna go over there before I don't catch any fish trying to fish behind you. Whoa, okay, wind caught that. How clean is wow. Got it. Stay down. I see him trying to jump. Oh, there he goes. Woo, they're biting this morning, huh? Oh, he's got one too. Oh, I'm about to say, goodness, doubled up. Oh, goodness. It's cold. Woo. Cold water Texas bass. Got one already. Get on out there. Now see how clean that water looks. Already hooked up. That's how you know it's gonna be a good day. There we go. Already. Oh, there he goes. Already. Whoa. Oh, this was a fighter. Don't you jump, don't you jump. There he goes. Woo! They're hot this morning. Golly. Woo! It's like freaking his twin. He got a mouthful of mud. Already biting. Just got here. Caught this one, the mud bass. Mouthful of water. Let's get a nice little release there. Golly. I barely put the thing back in the water. They must have pushed up against this bank. Let's try to run it. Oh no. Casting into the wind. Try to rock this bank real quick. See what we can do. Even though I know I was just there. I think that was a fish I just released right there. Still bouncing around. This young dinger I have on there. It kind of has a messed up, deformed mouth. Or head part. Go along this bank here. Sorry. Messed up head part. So I kind of already knew it was gonna be something with it. I've already caught 2 fish on it. We're hot. I mean back to back. Like I might even have to edit the time in between those catches. It's always great fishing out here. Oh. I couldn't tell you where in a water column I caught that other one. Got him again. Got him again. It's not that big. Oh, there you go, some head shakes. It's not that big, but it's a good looking bass. There we go. Get on over here, buddy. Get in the boat. This one looks a little skinnier. Nice bass. Beautiful color here. Looking healthy. Caught him right there in the lip. Good hook set. Let's get you a good little release here. A good old-fashioned release. Come on. I know it's cold. Whoa, buddy. Going out there now. Huh. What's this guy doing? Okay. They are cold and lethargic right now. All right. Let's try to catch another one. No, that's not another one. I'm just stuck on something. Let's bring that back in. 3 fish on this thing already. I mean, it had the deformed head, but you can kind of see here, it's a little choppy there at the end. We are going to try to fix that real quick. To see, it's gonna be a little shorter now. And sure, I have more in my backpack, but you know. I just wanna, you know, save money. And this water is crystal clear. It's beautiful out here. Whew. It's also cold. Hooked up right in front of me. Hooked up right in front of me. I slowed down my approach a little bit. Got hooked up immediately. Woo! This one's better. This one's better. Woo! Hold on, I don't want to break my rod tip. Right in front of me. Right in front of me. Nice little bass. The same size as the other one. Pounders. Pounding some change. They're eating good though. The belly feels nice. I'm only catching nothing but quality ones this time. Get out of here. There we go. That one swam off a little better, a little healthier. While I was walking up here, I don't know if I said on the video, but Brad caught freaking 2 fish while I was walking over here, maybe 3. Looks like I need to slow down my approach a little bit and work the bottom. He's got the really cool little thing on his, I forgot what it's called. I know the name of them, just break it. But they looks like they're near the bottom. So you think they'd be close to the top. I don't actually see any reactions happen on top, but if it's cold, it makes sense. But slowing down my approach, letting it sit at the bottom, that's been the answer. Giving like little taps here. It's been getting them. When I bring it up, I give like a little jiggle with twitches to get that tail movement going. Since I cut up that tip, thing kind of just slowed down. I mean, I guess I can't say it's been slow. Slow at this pond is a couple of seconds. Let me pull that bag. I'm just way too closer to the bank than I need to be. I wonder if I could step on this. Oh no, it's smushy. Never mind. Let's go right here. Step on the stone here. We'll. Water levels are definitely lower over here. Lower than they were. Got him. Stay down. Stay down, buddy. Come on. Come on. We ain't missing them today. That one's nice. Look at the beautiful pattern on this guy. Took him through the bottom lip. See that right there? Right there in there? Eating at the bottom. Yeah, definitely at the bottom. I wouldn't mind trying to cross set up. But hey, bro, but if you're catching right now, you keep fishing what you got. You don't switch up when you're catching. Switch up when you're not catching. Woo! Not the biggest one of the day, but look at this beautiful pattern. It's a healthy fish. Run free. Woohoo! Nice little jump. Alright, so still catching them. I can't tell. They're definitely eating at the bottom right now though. They were closer to the bank just now. The other one, I've caught two close to the bank and two further away. I don't know which one's actually better right now, which one's hitting better. I don't know if that was fish number 3 or 4. Good day though. I want to get a pond like this one of these days. It's a good size. Maybe 2-acre pond here, 1.5 acres. The same worm, deformed worm. Caught me like 4 or 5 fish already. That's crazy. I haven't switched it up like at all. For another bite. Oh, my hand slipped on. Lucky it wasn't that big. My hand slipped on the. Whew, it's cold out here. Got another one. Not a big one, but a nice one. But not first dink of the day. What we got there? Get a little bigger. Let this guy go. He's fought a good fight, but it's chopped in half. Get a fresh one with that fresh scent on there. We're gonna get him. Whew. Hallelujah. Barak Yahuwah for this beautiful day out here fishing at the Loaded Cow Pond. Hey, in the comments, if you guys know like a local pond that you know, or a friend of yours have a nice little homestead, has a nice little pond, and you catch biggins over there, and it's always fish being caught there, let me know in the comments. I sure love to come fish it with you. It was going pretty high. Bite was pretty good for a second. I slowed down a little bit. Got one. Whoa, my goodness. He wasn't fighting. Now he started fighting out of nowhere. I didn't know. That's the second fish in a row that I felt like I had on and I didn't even feel him. He's like he grabbed it. Oh, look at the colors on the spots on this guy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't hook me. Don't hook me. I mean, good hook set. I really just didn't feel him. It's like he just grabbed it and started just slowly moving with it. Look at the spots on this guy. See those? It's a nice little fish. Not a giant. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Not a giant by any means, but a good fish. I'm gonna try like a jerk bait or something, see what happens out of it. Yeah, let's cast it right over there this time. He wasn't running with it, he didn't fight until I got him near the bank. Just letting it happen. Like, you got me. Didn't believe I had a fish, thought I had a stick. Try casting over there and bringing it in a little bit. I felt something hit it. It's like a thump. There was another one. That was second thump in a row. It's like they're missing it. Maybe I'm giving it too much action. I'm gonna sit still for a second. Didn't twitch. Right, there we go. There we go. Okay. I feel like we're getting a lot of these medium sized ones. Look, hook on the bottom of the lip. Second or third one today that I hooked on the bottom of the lip. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. I don't think I've ever consistently hooked a fish at the bottom of the lip. In fact, I don't know if I've really ever done that. But nice fish, looking healthy. Smelling fishy. Go ahead. One free. When I was sitting still for a second, it helped a little bit. I'm gonna toss this back over there because clearly they're over there. Oh, shoot. What happened there? Oh, I'm wrapped around the top. Let's close the bail. Definitely glad I put on some new line on last night though. Felt a hit. And go. Yep. There we go. He's not really fighting. How heavy is it? Oh my gosh, how heavy is this guy? No, it's... Oh, did I lose him? I lost him. He felt pretty heavy too, but I lost him. Probably was a 2-pounder by the feels of it. Man, that sucks. That's probably the biggest one of the day. Biggest day for me, at least. My hook set was a little weak. Got him. Oh, okay. This one's putting up a fight. Nah, you ain't jumping though. You ain't jumping. Look at him. You can see him clearly through the water. He's trying to jump. Trying to spit me. I'm not gonna spit me. Biggest one of my day so far. Nice one. Woo! Look at that bottom lip. Woo! Finally got a good one. I know they're in there. This is a big one. Ooh wee. Look at you. I want to see how much you weigh. 2.3. 2.3. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, there you go. Uh-oh. Let's give him a little oxygen. Okay, I see you twitching. He's slippery. Trying to get him. Go ahead, run. Go free. There you go. Healthy bass. Another one for the Yum Dinger. 2.23. I mean 2.3. Let's get back out there and see if we can get another one. The biggest one of the day. I wonder if that's the same one I lost a minute ago. Heck, I can't tell. All things work together for your good. Hallelujah. Let's move a little bit out the same area. Got him. Oh, got him. What is it? Okay. This one's putting up a better fight. I don't think he's huge, but he sure is putting up a better fight. Oh, he's trying to jump on me. Is he hooked good? Ooh. Actually, while I'm talking crap, he might be the biggest one of the day. Sure like this pumpkin seed over here. Whoo, might be the biggest one of the day for me. Let me scale him up. I want to see what he's looking at here. 2.1. Huh. Sure looked bigger than that other one. Sure did. Maybe he's longer. Looks a little smaller now, look at him. Good fish though. Good fish. Have a good one. There he goes. Off and healthy. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. I missed him. Okay, I wonder if I throw it back out there like a wacky rig, what would happen? Got him. Got him. Threw it back out there like a wacky rig. No, don't you get caught in that snag. Don't you go in that snag. No, you didn't. He went straight for the snag. Smart move. Come on. I shouldn't have let him. He is literally stuck on a snag right in front of me. I gotta let him move. It's up to you to get us off there, buddy. Yes. No, I gotta let him swim off. Can y'all see this? Oh, snapped off. Well, it's okay. I've caught so many dang fish on this thing. Probably should check my line. Looks like he got away though. So I snapped off, and I figured I'd take a chance to do something different. This is actually a lure that on another video I found. I replaced the hooks on it last night. I think this is maybe Excited. I don't know what brand it is. If y'all know what this is, let me know. I'm gonna throw this out there and see what I can catch on it. I've been kind of liking this chartreuse color on his tail, so I figured, oh my goodness, this thing launches. Figure this might get a different type of bite, maybe get something a little bigger. I don't know if this is gonna do anything. Woo! He's back on. Golly. What? Oh. Got him. Got him. Ooh, he's big. He's, ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a big one. Golly. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh, golly. I switched up to a crankbait. Golly. Oh my gosh. It's a tank. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Woo. I gotta get a picture. I gotta get a weight on this big boy. This might be my PB. This might be my PB. All right, let's see if I can get him. Really, it's only a 3.7, 3.8, 3.7. Golly, this guy looks huge for a 3.7. Gotta check my scale, cause this is a big boy. Get on out there, big one. Okay, maybe he was out in the water, out of the water a little too long. Now I feel bad. Kept him out the water too long. Kept him out the water too long. Okay, gotta find a good little spot to let him go in the water. Get him spot. Okay. Uh-oh. Looks like he's okay. Okay, bro. There you go. The switch up definitely helped. Even though now my hands are really dirty. Let's do some of this mud here with the dude wipes. No product placement, but I'm gonna use some of these dude wipes here to get some of this excess mud off my hands. Hey man, I keep these dude wipes. You never know if you gotta take a sit down somewhere. You're stuck in the middle of nowhere. Oh gosh, it's mud on this too. Wipe this on the jacket. Oh geez, do I got something? Do I got something? Oh my gosh, I have something. Oh my goodness, it's huge. Oh my gosh. What the heck do I have on my reel? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what do I have? I can't barely move this guy. What the heck? How big is it? I can't barely move him. My hand's starting to hurt. Fighting him. Whoa. How big is this guy? He's a fighter. This gotta be everything but 4 or 5 pounds. Oh my goodness, I barely have him hooked. Jeez. Come on. Come on, Bessie. Come on, biggin. Oh my goodness. There's so much mud right here. Bro, look. Golly, he's bigger than the last one. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Where's my pliers? Didn't even get a chance to. Where's my pliers? I'm not even exaggerating. My arms are getting tired holding them. Hallelujah. Hold on. Oh my gosh, it's huge. I think this is my PB. This is my PB. There's no way. Personal best. Okay, hold on. Let me make sure I reset it. All right, y'all see that? Ooh, close. Not the PB though. 5 pounds, 15 ounces. Tied. Wait, don't move. Don't move. All right, locked in at 6-0. This tied is a 6 pounder. I weighed him. This is tied with my biggest bass. Oh my gosh. I get him a good release. I gotta get him a good release. Or whatever this. The water's so thin over here. Come on, big mama. There you go. Kick off. I don't want to have to get. Go on, get girl. Oh man, I'm about to get in the mud again. Come on. Push off. Go get it. Don't come back over here. Don't get confused. Don't get stuck. This water's so cold, but I do it for you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, just go ahead and go. Oh, just go ahead and go. Whew. That was intense. I didn't think that would happen twice. I mean, I just dropped him in there. What the heck? It's still over here. I stepped in the cold water for you. You better go. Oh no, I accidentally rehooked him. Oh, he's gone. She's gone. Oh my gosh. Dude wipes to the rescue. No product placement. Not product placement. But I will vouch for these things being good, strong wipes that are really convenient to have when you want to reduce your mud and your fishiness of your hands, or you don't want to get your reel too dirty. Oh, that's crazy. That was crazy. Oh my gosh, I thought that was my PB. It tied my PB. Oh my goodness. And I got it on camera. A 5-pounder, then right a three almost 4-pounder, and right behind it a 6-pounder. That's intense. I just threw it out there and started to pick up my stuff. Oh, nice. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Whoo, hallelujah. I stayed up early this morning. First time ever replacing treble hooks. Learning how to do this on this thing. And it was the right move, because that worked out perfectly. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah. Barak Hashem Yahuwah. Barak means the blessed. Hashem is the name of Yahuwah, the name of our Father. In Hebrew, the original context, the word was written in. Hallelujah. Hallelujah means praise ye Yah. Ooh, no. Not immediately stuck on that same stick from that guy earlier. Not so quickly. How'd I get stuck already? I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna dislike myself for doing it, but I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get it. You caught me 2 massive bass, back to back. No bait left behind. Okay, I'm sinking too hard. Never mind, I can't lose my shoes over this lure. Oh, I don't mind. Come on, get over here. Get over here. I'm definitely gonna have to retie after this. Definitely have to retie after this. I saved it. No bait left behind. My feet might be though. No bait left behind. Rescue mission in 30 degree, well, 50 degree. Whew. Hallelujah. Man, that's crazy. The effectual prayers of the righteous availeth much. Hallelujah. Brad was talking about, he just prayed that we catch something, I mean, I'll let you hear it on his side, but he prayed for that. And when he prayed for it, we caught those fish back to back right afterwards. Both of us did. Gosh, I hope the camera caught that and heard his prayer. Hallelujah. 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 Gosh, I just stumped through that water. Yep. Should at least took off my shoes or something, my socks, before I did it. Back out here at the loaded cow pond, just catching fish and taking names. Saw you? You said your reel was falling off?
Yeah, it's all boogered up.
Oh, like in there?
Yeah.
I heard that.
Yeah, it's shot.
Where is it at though? Oh, yeah, there you go. I mean, that's gonna help part of it at least. That should help part of it.
Yeah.
Oh, like, oh man. I've never seen that before.
It's Walmart, bro.
It's a Walmart, man. Ozark trip. Look, man, but you caught like freaking 20 fish on it though today.
Oh yeah. Well, I know today was for you anyway.
After my performance last time. I did good once you left.
Yeah, I had a sense that you was gonna. I knew today was for you, bro.
Man, I've looked at it, but no, or depending on which one it is, it could have been on. You might be able to catch them on sale for like 30 bucks for a combo, but maybe not if it's gonna break this quick. It's still got the plastic on. That's what I was saying. You could probably get it exchanged, but it's got rust on it, so it's probably older.
I got too good at back home.
That's what you need to do, man. Me and you, we road trip out to Georgia. We get your eyes, fish out there, show me where the spots are, then come back out here. Now it's a lipless crankbait.
Oh, okay.
It
did the trick, didn't it?
Man, did it. You said you finna roll out.
I'm gonna ride up here to Brookshire's and get us something to eat.
Oh,
I'm just gonna get us some deli sandwiches. You can keep fishing.
All right, that works for me.